First, you want to make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is on, and then you go to the VERA app and you click Devices at the navigation bar. Press Pair New Device. If you are on an Android phone, then you might get a pop-up message asking for permission to connect. And it might look a little bit different depending on which operation system your Android is on, but please just press Allow. Then you press Pair New Device and double-click on your LumiSpa. Now you see the LED lights are turned on. Then you are ready to press Let's Get Started and ready to connect. Tap on the LumiSpa that shows up. If you have more than one LumiSpa that you want to connect, then you can find the correct name of your LumiSpa where you attach the silicone head. Then you click on the name and you press Pair. Now your device is pairing with your phone. And if you have an Android phone, then you might get a pop-up message asking for permission to pair. So just go ahead and tick the box that allows this request. Then you'll see this screen, and that means that you succeeded. If you haven't succeeded, then you'll see this instead. In that case, then you can do a soft reset of your I/O device. I'll go through that in just a bit. The great thing about the I/O feature, for me at least, is that you can create your own routines. So once you have paired your device, then you click on the picture of the LumiSpa I/O. And then you click Explore LumiSpa Routines. Here you can click My Routine and then create a new routine. Then you can name your routine. I'm gonna go ahead and name this routine for shower routine, then I know to use it in the shower, and I can go ahead and select which silicone head I will be using. And then I'm pressing Add New Area. So I'm gonna go ahead and take full face. There you are. And I'm gonna press Save. Full face is the 30-second on 4 different areas of your face, so the standard 2 minutes. But because this is a shower routine, I'm adding a new area, because whenever I shower, I want a little bit of extra love to my neck and my décolleté, so I'm pressing full neck here. And I'm doing a 30-second full neck, so I'm saving that. Then I'm adding another new area because I want the full décolleté as well. Again, a 30-second thing. So now I have a routine that's in total 3 minutes. It's my full face, it's my neck and my décolleté. And I'm gonna press Save Routine. So now this routine is saved on my phone, but I might not always have my phone with me when I go shower. Well, often I don't. So therefore I wanna save it on my device as well. You can always edit the routine by clicking on it, and then you have the pencil symbol right here, and then you can go in and edit. But what I want to do now is I want to add this routine to my device. So I click on Add to Device, and now I have the option of choosing a color that I want this routine to have. So I'm going to go with red, and I'm going to click Next. Then I'm going to click Update Preset. In order to do so, your LumiSpa must be turned on, so I'm double clicking. So now it's saved to the device. If you double click it once, then you see this white light. This is the standard 2-minute routine that the LumiSpa I/O always comes with. But if I double click again, it turns red. So this is the custom shower routine that I just made, which is now saved on this device. And now you can start your routine either by pressing this button once, or you can click Start Session on your app. You can save up to 3 customized routines on your device. So that means that the device can actually have 4 routines, because you always have the default setting with the standard 2-minute full face routine. And besides these 4 different routines on your device, then you also have the standard 1-minute routine for your eye area. So that's the accent. And this will automatically be chosen once you attach the accent head to the device, because it has a little microchip inside that actually communicates with the device. ageLOC LumiSpa I/O can be paired with 1 mobile device and 1 Nu Skin account at the same time. So sometimes you might actually need to reset your device, for instance if you're getting a new phone. A soft reset allows LumiSpa I/O to pair to a new phone whilst maintaining your device settings. To perform a soft reset, connect your LumiSpa I/O to the charger and press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Release the power button when the front light flashes blue twice. Now go to your Bluetooth setting and check if the I/O device is listed. If not, please go ahead and pair your I/O device to your phone. If it is listed, then please press Forget Device before you can start to pair. Please note that LumiSpa I/O must be paired with the same Nu Skin account after the soft reset. To remove your device settings and to allow your LumiSpa I/O to pair with a different Nu Skin account, then you have to perform a hard reset. Please connect LumiSpa I/O to the power and hold down the power button for 10 seconds. Release the power button when all the front lights flash orange 4 times. Now you go to your Bluetooth setting and check if the I/O device is listed. If not, then go ahead and pair your I/O device to your phone. But if it is listed, then please press Forget Device before you can start to pair. If you're having issues and a soft or hard reset is not working, then please uninstall the VERA app, reinstall it again and start over. Don't charge the device in wet places and remember to dry it completely after you have used it. We also recommend that you unplug the device when the battery is fully charged, and then you should only use our ageLOC LumiSpa activating cleansers together with your device. And that's because, of course, we want you to get the 7 amazing skincare benefits. The LumiSpa I/O silicone head and the LumiSpa I/O accent head are the only heads compatible with LumiSpa I/O. So unfortunately, you can't use the heads from your previous LumiSpa should you have one.